Hey guys, Kat here. So as I'm sure you remember from last time, I've been having a little bit of car trouble. Well, I took my car to the mechanic and they said that it could be a number of vague different weird things, but that it would also probably be hundreds of dollars. So my friend recommended this little thing called Fixd. It's an app and this little sensor plugs in right under your dash. It turns out there's this port that every car after 1996 has. I never would have known that. So we plug it in and then we scan. Look at that, one problem detected, okay. So we see it right there, got an issue. Let's see what it says to do. Okay, this might be a really easy fix. Let's see. Okay, so do I really just tighten that up? I guess it was a little loose. Let's see if that works. So I scan again. That was it. That was all that it was. Those guys in the mechanic shop were going to charge me so much money and I fixed this right here on my own. That's ridiculous. Thank goodness for this little thing. I just saved myself so much more time that could have been wasted sitting there trying to mansplain to me how they were gonna fix this. Wow, okay, well, thanks Fixd.
Hey, I'm Georgie and thanks for watching my video. I'm the father of a teenage daughter and last week, the check engine light popped on in the car. She had a meltdown. That's when we got her the Fixd. The Fixd is a device that claims to be as good as anything a mechanic will use at diagnosing the problems with the car. You know, all those flashy little lights. My only concern was that it wasn't simple enough for my daughter to use. You see, my daughter's a literature major, not an engineer. Let's go check it out and see how it works.
What are you doing with my car?
I'm using a Fixd here. It goes in this little port underneath the dash. As long as your car is 1996 or newer and uses gas, it's going to tell us why your check engine light is on. See, it comes with this free app, and your phone talks to the Fixd, which will tell you exactly what's the matter with the car. Look at all these different options it's got. I mean, this is a lot more than I ever thought it would happen. Isn't it a cool engine?
I thought I broke my car. It's just my gas cap. Oh.
See, I want you to be safe, and I want you to feel safe. And the beauty with the Fixd is it will remind you when you're supposed to do your maintenance, whether it's oil changes, air filters, all that kind of stuff. And it will send you a message. It will send me a message. You and I will be on the same page so that nothing happens to the world. Sound good? All right.
Hey guys, Gabe here. So as you know, I know nothing about cars, and we got this check engine light on my car here the other day, and so we tried out this little Fixd sensor you see here. Plugged right into the car. I think any car after 1996 is what it says. And we went and downloaded the app and we scanned it. I'll show you. It says that we have an evap leak, and it's saying that there's a really simple fix to this, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you what that is real quick. Now, if this works, should be crazy. I just have to tighten in that gas cap. Let's see real quick. So, turn the car back on, and I will scan again. No problems detected. That's awesome. Man, so we probably just saved ourselves a trip to the mechanic. I don't know how much that would be, but I'm assuming well worth the little sensor. So this was a really great product. Totally suggest trying it out if you haven't gotten the chance. Yeah, thanks Fixd.
Hey you guys, Corey here. Thanks for watching my video. I figured it was about time I talked to you about Fixd. I love this little thing. Every car made after 1996 had a little socket underneath the dash. You just plug this in, and then it talks to your phone because you can download a free app, and it tells you what Fixd has found with your car. So if for some reason a light comes on the dash and you're not sure why that's there, Fixd will tell you through the app in plain English, why that light is on. It also gives you maintenance reminders, and that is my favorite thing about it. And let me show you how. All right, so here's the Fixd, and there's the plug on it. And then underneath my car, my socket is right there. Yours is usually right underneath the driver's side of your dash. Sometimes they put it on the other side, but in my car, it's right there. Let me show you how this works, because this is very cool. So I just push the app right there, it launches it, and you can see it already knows what my car is. Right up there, it says 2017 Volkswagen Passat. It's communicating with the little Fixd device that's under the dash, and now it says no check engine lights detected. Now, I wouldn't think so. I mean, my car is pretty much brand new. I certainly hope there's not a light. But if there had been like a check engine light or some other light that came on the dash, it would tell me right away on this screen. But look at this. If I push this up here, there's every car in my family. There's my car, there's my wife's car, there's my daughter's car. I mean, they're all shown on here, so I can communicate with any one of those and it'll tell me what's going on with the car. Here's my favorite part, right down here. You push this little timeline button and it shows exactly where your car is according to its current mileage. So my car right now has 13,171 miles. It's putting it between 10 and 20,000. There it is right there. This is all the service that needed to be done to my car at 10,000 miles. 20,000 miles, here's the next set of things that I need to do. I need to rotate my wheels and tires. I need to replace my oil filter. It tells me all that. And it even gives me a cost estimate as to how much I should pay for that. If I push this little question mark over here, it even breaks down that estimate. It tells me how many hours of labor I should be paying for and how much the parts should cost. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's getting my family home safe. I love knowing that they're going to have reliable vehicles that they can count on. So, hey, thanks for watching my video. I love Fixd. You might like it too. Check it out.
So I recently found this cool new gadget called Fixd. If it does what it's supposed to do, it's going to tell me what's wrong with my car. I read through the instructions and it's supposed to work with any car after 1996. Plus, it communicates directly with my smartphone. This is perfect timing because the check engine light came on in the car on the way home from my daughter's soccer game last night. I have no clue what the issue is or how much it's going to cost me. So I've been going to the same mechanic for a while now, and the last time I took the car in, my husband swore he was ripping me off. All right, so I plugged the Fixd sensor into this port in my car, and it's already communicating with my smartphone. Let's see if it can tell me what the problem is. Well, okay, so Fixd is telling me I have a problem, a bad oil pressure sensor. That doesn't sound so bad. This is awesome. It's also telling me it's only going to be around $100 to fix. That's a huge relief. But as a woman, I think people see me as an easy target, and I always worry that they want to take advantage of me. But now that I know it's a bad oil pressure sensor and should only cost around $100, I'm gonna see if my mechanic is ripping me off. So, what's the damage?
Well, ma'am, it looks like what we got here is you ran your motor low on oil, and this is definitely pretty severe. It's gonna cost you $1,900, but I definitely wouldn't leave here today without getting the work done.
$1,900?
Yes, ma'am. Like I said, it's a pretty big issue.
I have to talk to my husband about this.
Sure? Oh, alrighty. Okay.
Thank you. So Fixd told us something completely different. So we're on our way to get a second opinion. So, got good news for me?
Good to see you again. Well, luckily it's an easy fix. It's the oil pressure sensor, probably under $100.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good to hear.
All right. So you want to go forward?
Yes,
All
let's
right.
get it fixed.
Great. We'll have it out in an hour.
Thank you.
All right.
I can't believe that the mechanic we've been going to for years has been ripping us off. $1,500. That's ridiculous. But my new mechanic shot me straight and fixed the problem for less than $100. Fixd is the reason why I knew what the issue was and how much I should be paying. I'll never overpay for repairs again. Thanks, Fixd.
At Fixd, we've scanned millions of vehicles with our OBD2 scanner and our free mobile app. Whether you just want to read your check engine light or you're looking for more detailed engine diagnostics, the first step is to locate your OBD2 port so you can plug in your OBD scan tool. Here's what the port you're looking for looks like. Now, it might vary in color depending on your vehicle, but all of the OBD plugs will have a face like this. The most common OBD2 port location is on the driver's side of the vehicle, right underneath the steering column, like on this RAV4. Now keep in mind that you might actually have to be outside of the vehicle to get low enough to see it. Your vehicle may also have a cover that you'll need to remove in order to get to it. But if the port's not there, check around or under the center console. And then you can just plug in your scan tool and you're ready to go. Now, while these are the most common OBD2 port locations, there are some outliers. I mean, some years manufacturers just decided to really shake things up. If you're still having trouble finding your port location, just go to Google, type in your year, make, model, followed by OBD2 port location. Now that you know where to find your car's OBD2 port, you can plug in your scan tool to access live vehicle data and diagnostic trouble codes. But if you're looking for an OBD2 scanner that does more than just pull codes, be sure to check out Fixd Premium. You'll get our state-of-the-art OBD2 scanner that translates over 7,000 engine codes into plain English on your phone and continuously monitors the health of all of your vehicles in real time. We even give you a list of possible fixes and DIY repair guidance for your check engine light, so you can save with at-home repairs, plus access to certified on-call mechanics and so much more. Whether you're an avid DIYer looking for some quick advice, or you just need help finding a trustworthy repair shop, Fixd Premium is here to help. Follow the link in the description to learn more about Fixd Premium and take advantage of our bundle deal going on right now. Thanks for watching.